The Third Thursday Thrift Flips is an open invite every third Thursday of the month. It is hosted by none other than the Rusted Willow. She enjoys thrifting and flipping and all things crafting. The other host is the Southern G. Moore Gals. They enjoy budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips, and more. And the co-host is Our Gray House. She enjoys Dollar Tree DIYs, budget-friendly DIYs. So be sure to subscribe to their channels, save, like, and comment. The link to their channels is listed below. Make sure you follow all of the other collaborators and see what they've made. The playlist is also below. I am going to flip a picture frame to a cork board. The supplies needed are paintbrush, white chalk paint, gold spray paint, foam board, or you can use cork, burlap fabric, and I used a beige colored burlap instead of the brown, stickers, masking or painter's tape, and hot glue and E6000. I took a trip to Free Fridays in a small town in Michigan. I found a frame that was brown, and it was obvious that someone had done a DIY, probably for a class project. As I was disassembling it, I also found a picture of a heart with words, "When there is love in the home, there is joy in the heart." I did not destroy that, but I may use it at another time, maybe Valentine's Day. After the frame was free of the projects, I sanded it, cleaned it, and sprayed it with Rust-Oleum bright gold paint. I wanted it to have a unique look when I finished it. I found some stickers at Dollar Tree that fit perfectly in the corners and sides of the frame, and that gave it a little, what they call, something something. I glued them to the frame with E6000 and took the frame outside and sprayed it again with the gold stickers. Now, I should have put the stickers on first and then spray the entire thing, but you know how it goes. Sometimes I go by inspiration. After it was dry, I dry painted it with white chalk paint and then wiped off the excess so that the gold would peek through. Then it was time to cut the foam board to fit the inside of the frame. This was no problem because I used the backing as a template and cut around the foam board, cut it out. Well, actually, I traced around the foam board and then cut it out. And then I used the backing also for a template for the beige burlap fabric. Now, you can use the brown burlap. Actually, they have all colors, green, black, so you can use any color. And then I added 1 inch on the sides and the top. Now it was time to hot glue the burlap to the foam board. Now you had to make sure that you had it fairly tight so that when you look at it in the front, there are no wrinkle or pull spots. I placed it in the frame and took painter's tape and hot glue to adhere it to the frame. Now it was time to style it for fall and Christmas. Now, you know, we tend to rush the fall season and hurry up Christmas. So I like the fall. I cut out an acorn out of paper and used my Big Shot and some dies to cut out tags and Christmas trees so that I would have the best of both worlds. I put some ephemera, and it was a kind of a circle doily from Dollar Tree. I put that on one of the tags And then I hung a watch necklace. Wow, I just love this. And thank you, You Matter Designs, for the inspiration. And so you need to check her out. I think she has an Etsy store also. On to DIY number 2. The supplies you need are a Dollar Tree Christmas bag, a winter Christmas spray with ornaments, that's your greenery, a wooden thrifted window frame, and it had a battery pack, and black acrylic paint, and tiny pine cones and berries. Those are from the Dollar Tree. So I removed the clips from the back of the frame and I saved them. You don't want to lose the tiny screws or the clips because I'm not sure what you could put on there to hold it. I wasn't sure if the lights worked, but I put some new batteries in and yep, yay, they worked. After everything was removed, I painted the white window frame black, and it had the picture that it had in before was canvas, and it was kind of a country scene with deer, but I wanted something a little bit more modern. So I covered the previous canvas with a Dollar Tree gift bag. Now the good thing is I can change it to anything that I want to for any season, for any reason, because I did not glue it down. It fit tight over the frame, and that was all that I needed. So I cut it to size, placed it over the canvas, and put the window frame over the gift bag, and now it's a whole new look, kind of on the modern side. The holders were put back on all 4 corners to hold the picture in. Then I placed some greenery that I had gotten, I think it was last year. I had purchased it maybe at Joann's at the end of the season, and it had Christmas ornaments on top, and I garnished it with red ribbon. It was ribbon that I just had around the house, and I turned the switch and watched the lights twinkle. It is uber cool. I hope that you like it, and remember, don't leave out the main ingredient in life. Always add a cup of kindness. Thanks for watching, family. I appreciate all of your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see me make, please let me know. So if you have liked what you have seen, please subscribe. Help a girl out. Like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. See you later. Bye-bye.